Hello guys, uh, welcome back to the continuation part of the Litmus Chaos experiment. So we have seen about the integration and also the UI part. So let's see how to create an experiments from now. So I have explained till how to create an environment. So from here on, let's see how to create an experiment. So I have just done that just a few minutes ago. I have one experiment that I can show you to you. So it's very simple. But once if you go into the experiment, it will tell to add. Okay. So by clicking on to add, so you can see this. For now, I have used this node CPU. Okay. Node memory of node CPU. So I have used this node CPU. Okay. Once if you do that, uh, once if you go for that, then it will ask for you all this configuration to do. So it's very simple guys. See, we should use 6 like this is the duration how long your CPU need to run. Then this is a ramp up time that unit can give. Then in my case it is 8 CPU core which is assigned. So I have given 8 CPU. On my Docker desktop you can see that it is 8 CPU. So I have given as 8 CPU. You can give accordingly. And this is the load percentage that you can give. You should not give crossing 100, like you should not give above 100 because even litmus gets stuck. Okay, so I have given 90, so around it comes around 800, around that. So this is the main thing. In my case, the targeted node is just just enter C. In my case, the node is Docker desktop. So in your case, you check it out which is the Docker node. Then you come back. Then this is the label you need to give actually. I'll paste everything in the description section so you can look forward on it. And also this is the node affected percentage. So how much percent should the node get affected, and that's all. So once if you're done there, then you need to add some prop. You add the defaultly that you know actually, and just add apply changes. Then if you run, actually it is still running in my case. You can see in this environment. This one Chaos experiment. See, actually just it has completed. Let's get into it. So from where we should go for view runs. Okay, just it has completed just 4 minutes ago. So if you run that, you can actually see it. See, it has entered to 700%. Okay, I think you can see it. This is the CPU Docker CPU where I can see it has entered 70 for 60 seconds. Thank you guys.